Bank UK Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think banking apps are all the same, but you won't believe what happens next when your bank actually listens to your lifestyle needs. Bunk is a Dutch-based mobile bank now available in the UK. It offers personal and business accounts with unique features like instant payments, multi-currency accounts, and advanced budgeting tools. The surprising truth about Bunk is its focus on flexibility and transparency. You can open multiple sub-accounts with specific purposes, share them with friends or coworkers, and track your spending in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume mobile banks are just cheap alternatives. Bunk charges subscription fees for premium features, but these unlock advanced tools like joint accounts, travel insurance, and Apple/Google Pay integration. Bunk also prioritizes sustainability. Users can choose to plant trees with their spending and receive insights on eco-friendly transactions, a rare feature for a modern bank. Bunk is best for tech-savvy individuals who value control, multiple currencies, and mobile-first banking. The surprising truth is that banking can be intuitive, fast, and even environmentally conscious. Subscribe for more honest mobile banking reviews that help you manage money smarter.